Hi friends! Today you're going to take everything you've been working on in your park proposal and turn it into your rough draft. You've probably brainstormed your ideas by now, and you have some thoughts about what your park will have. You may have used this page to draw a blueprint of your park, what it looks like. You should have an attention getter. Remember, an attention getter is a hook or an introductory sentence that gets your reader's attention. You could have started with asking a question, stating a fact, using a sound, or painting a picture. You need at least 2 to 3 details about your park, and one must be how your park will help your community. You also should have your wrap it up conclusion sentence. This is a sentence that lets your reader know that you are finished. You could give a hope, you could restate your introduction, or you could use words like in conclusion or overall. Once you have all of those pages complete, it is time to put it all together as your rough draft. You're going to type in your introduction or your hook at the top, your details in the middle or the body of your paragraph, and the conclusion at the end. That's where you wrap it all up. This is what you will be turning in today. Your rough draft is simply that. It's rough, it's sloppy copy. So if you have mistakes, that's fine. I will give you plenty of feedback to help. If you need any extra help before you get to me, you can always go back to some of the previous lessons and watch the learning videos and make sure that you have everything you need for your paper.